Hi, my name's Jenny and I am doing an unboxing of the Jujube Toki Market. This is the latest release. Luckily, I was able to order it from a small retailer who I've ordered from before, and it ships the item pretty quickly. This one I got a bee set, a change pad, and a bee light. Now, with those of you not familiar with Jujube, they are diaper bags, but they're also like stain repellent, interior and exterior, which that's what I loved about it, just because I am a nurse, and you know, when I had to bring like my pumping stuff, this was actually perfect because it was wipeable, it's machine washable, and their prints are really cute. Now normally I'm a Sanrio girl, but with all these releases coming from Jujube, I'm starting to get into Toki Doki, but you know, I'm still not familiar with all the characters, so I don't really have a particular print placement. Some people try getting the print placement, but as for me, I am just happy if I get anything. So here's the change pad. So I'm actually going to use customs for these. So we'll see. I think the change pad retails for $30. And you know, as I said in my previous video, my kids are out of diapers, so I don't use this. I normally just, you know, deconstruct it and use it as a fabric for customs. And then this is the bee set. The bee set comes with 3 pouches, and this retails for $60. That's so cute. Okay, so that's the large set piece. And it comes with a medium set piece. Oh, I love that little honey bear. Okay, and then as you can see, it also comes with straps, short strap, long strap, and then the small set piece. Oh, that's so cute. A little strawberry, like a honey unicorn, and Chocotella. I know who that is. And then most retailers, they do free coin purses. I do like the placement on this one, but again, I'm not really picky, so I think all of these are perfect. The little, I forget his name, and then her name too. I always get her mixed up with like Sandy or something. Okay, and then this is my bee light. So bee light and Super Bee are one of their unstructured bags. And so normally, you know, I would probably have used this with their insert that they have, which is a bee switch, but I sold that a long time ago, so I think I'm going to customize it. So there is no interior organization. There is a zip pocket, but like I said, I think I'm going to customize it, putting like little pockets on the inside and everything. And then it does have 2 front pockets. Thanks for watching. Bye.